So hi everyone. After 2 or 3 months, some like that, I have brought a new video. That is about this screwdriver. As you can see, it is a very high quality screwdriver, and you can see here clearly. It is. I can focus. Just wait. It is written here chrome vanadium. So you can pretty much understand what is the quality of this thing. So here you can see Stanley or Stanley, you may pronounce it by however you pronounce it. So the size you can see here 250 mm PH2. I don't know what the PH2 says. I think it is Phillips PH2 into or X 250 mm, and of course it is pretty much corrosion resistant. So corrosion may not occur, or it can occur pretty much if you like throw it into water and something. But I have basically brought it for like PC building and fancy expensive things to what can I say, configure and like that. So I do not want to use it in any other kind of like conditions like electricity in my house or what the outlets in your houses. You must not use that. And here you can see the magnetic tip here. It is pretty much magnetic. I can show you. The magnetic tip is pretty much strong. I have a iron rod. Let me show that to you. It will attract it pretty much well. So here it is. Please do not mind the background noise. It is someone cooking there, so forgive me for that. I cannot make it stop. So here you can see the magnetic tip attracts it. So it will be very much helpful for computing. I'm sorry, not computing. Configuring the computer and pulling out the screws. It will be very much easy because I have used it and I am reviewing it. Always remember that I am not using any kind of funds or any kinds of sponsorships to do this review. It is only honest review. It is very much an honest review. No kind of sponsorship or money or some kind of motivation attached to it. Nothing is attached to it. It is just my personal honest review. And if you want, you can also buy it in India from Amazon, and of course you can buy it from your local store if it is available. But I would recommend the Amazon site because it has gave me the pretty much good quality of this screwdriver. It is not corroded, it is not broken, the tip is pretty much fine. You can see that. I hope the camera focus. Yes, you can see that the tip is pretty much fine. So I can say that it will long last for a very long time. So you can buy it pretty much in any store if it is available. You must remember that the company is Stanley, and you have to see the price. The 250 millimeter PH2 is like 234. You can see here. With Amazon, it will take 100 rupees of delivery charge if it is from like very far away, but you can buy it from anywhere like in your local store. So I would recommend you to use it with computer building and fancy expensive things like what can I say, really pretty much cooling system installing and some kind of exotic things where this has no kind of what can I say, this has no kind of risk to get corroded or get get rapidly corroded by things like water or some kind of chemical. So I don't want any kind of chemical reactions to occur on it because it is pretty much expensive one. and there are more expensive things on the market like 800 rupees, but I don't need that much heavy duty thing. So if you want, you can buy that, and there are more variants of it like PH3 into or X 250 mm, but I have bought the PH2 X 250 mm for my PC building. And if you want to PC build, then I would recommend this one. As you can see, the magnetic tip is pretty much good. The magnetic power is pretty much well. So do not expect like, you know, like will not corrode or corrosion proof thing. Anything can pretty much corrode because it is metal. Metal can corrode. You have to use it very carefully, and because of corrosion it will damage itself eventually, hence you have to handle it very carefully. So guys, if you like say how much stars will be given on it, I will give it 4.5 star. I will not give it 5 star, because if I give 5 star, then it will be like pure stainless steel or something like like chemical is tested in laboratory and pretty much tortured in every way. So it is not like that, and hence I will give it 4.5 stars. So guys, you can buy it. I will recommend it for PC building, and I will not recommend it for where water is used or where things like chemicals are used. So guys, that is pretty much it for today. I will of course upload another video after few days. So guys, for now, goodbye, see you later.